Hi everyone, it's Tech Dad. Recently I've made a couple of reviews about KIWI Design products because they gave it to me for reviews. But I also think they have some good product, not perfect, they can be improved. Today I want to talk to you about a very good product. It's the head strap. It's one of the most well received or reviewed product from them on Amazon. And why? Because it works and it solves in part a problem of the Quest. But I will tell you something, I don't use that product as KIWI Design intended to. Is that a good phrase in English? I think so. I'm sure you have understood. The biggest negative about the Quest is the comfort. We all know that. There is a world of accessories built around improving comfort of this. Facial interface, I did one recently. Padding at the back, counterweight, just scrapping the strap here to put the HTC Audio Deluxe strap. And why is this not comfortable? Because it's front heavy. This is heavy, you have everything here, including battery that you don't have on PC VR headset. And Oculus has used the same system as the original Rift, which is just a simple like strap here on the back of the head that does the job perfectly on the original Rift and also on the HP Reverb. But here, the weight is too much for that concept. So what you can do is add a headband on top, which will help you sustain that weight on your head instead of all feeling it on your cheek in the front. How KIWI Design designed this project is to strap it on the back here of the Quest. There is like a Velcro strap here so it cannot move and stay at the back. And that I didn't like it very much. I don't understand why it's like that. It does help, but the problem is that when you strap this, it will tend to move this up. And this is not intended to be up. It needs to be very low on your head. So I don't know, it works, it helps, but a better solution for you is just not to use it like that. Is to push this in front. And then I take that strap here that should go at the back here and I just use it on the Velcro fabric here so it doesn't move too much. And now it's in the front. And what it does, it mimics a little bit like the Halo design of the Rift S or any comparable headset. So now with this design, you have a lot of the weight sustained on the front of your head here. So all the weight is like sustained here. It's not magical, but it does a world of difference. It's not magical, but it does a world of difference. There's nothing more to say about that. I mean, if you are able to install this correctly, it will improve greatly your experience with the Quest. So I think it's a must-have. There is multiple brands that are sold on the market. This one from KIWI Design, it just worked well. The quality of the fabric is very good. It feels like an original Oculus product. And I'm not joking, it's not because they gave me the product. It's really well built. And you can check reviews online anyhow. There's a ton on Amazon. And this specific product from KIWI Design is very well made. If I could improve one thing, it's maybe to add a bit of cushion on the inside. This is really just a strap. It works, but they could improve a little bit the comfort about it. Also, I will make this as a front product, not a back product. It's about $20 on Amazon. You might think it's a lot for a piece of fabric, you might be right, but it solves in part a very important problem of the Quest. So it's up to you to decide if it's worth it or not. So thank you all. It was Tech Dad. Please think about subscribing. See you next time. Ciao!